to here Santa Ana Park. And the race on OG from the outside. Bruno rushing up. Ako ngayon. Black Parade down on the inside is done. So way back to the front runner. The outstanding favorite 2A OG. By about 2 lengths. Ako ngayon in second. Dance away. Racing on the outside. Rushing up is Bringer of Rain. Black Parade Bruno is racing in 6th position. Fisher Champ and Swing Boat is running at the tail of the field. Bringer of Rain. Foxy's Nose from the outside. OG down on the inside. And as they race the last 700. Bringer of Rain on the outside. OG Spiderel sizing, mirroring each other. Bringer of Rain on the outside. OG's running by Drell and racing third by about 7 lengths. Black Parade Fisher Champ as they race the final corner. Bringer of Rain from the outside. OG's running by Drell. Fisher Champ closing in third. Last 200. Bringer of Rain by about 3 lengths now, followed by Fisher Champ OG. And ring the last 75 meters, Bringer of Rain finish the game. Second, Fisher Champ OG Bruno. Black Parade, Swing Boat, Dance Away, completing the cash of this race.